Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Kanishk Emmanuel. Hope everyone is doing good. Stay home and stay safe. Today I am going to give you the review of R15 version 3 BS6. Without any delay, let's get started.
R15 V3 BS6 was launched for Rs 1.48 lakhs ex-showroom Hyderabad, which is 5,000 rupees higher than the BS4 model. New colors launched for the BS6 variant are Racing Blue, Dark Knight and Thunder Grey. This bike comes with a BS6 update and has BS6 compliant engine which puts out lesser emission and pollution. Due to this BS6 compliant engine, the power has gone down. In comparison to the BS6 model, BS4 has maximum power of 19.3 HP and 14.7 Nm torque, whereas the BS6 model produces 18.6 PS at 10,000 RPM and 14.1 Nm of torque at 8,500 RPM. The important inclusion is the Rev ZS 140 section rear tire, which provides a better road grip. Another significant safety update is the side stand cutoff switch. So, if you put the side stand down, the engine will automatically turn off. Apart from that, everything remains the same and we get the same variable valve actuation technology. The tank is impressive, which reminds you of the new R1, and the tail is also the same as the R1. Proceeding to the brakes, we get a 282 mm disc brake at the front and a 220 mm disc brake at the rear. We also get a dual channel ABS, which is not switchable. The seat is approximately the same and very comfortable for the rider. Pillion seat is small, which is a bit discomfort for dual riding. It is a solo riding vehicle for the super sport enthusiast and its aggressive posture. The exhaust remains the same and the build quality is also good. Alright, now coming to the handbar, we get a high beam flasher, indicator switch, horn, engine kill switch and the start button. We get a slipper clutch which lets you do faster downshifts without any risk of rear wheel locking. The instrument panel has the all relevant information. We also get a tilted visor that helps to make the aerodynamic spot on. The rear view mirrors are good and foldable. So guys, this is the R15 V3 BS6 model for you. Hope you find this useful. Stay tuned to my channel for more videos and do like, share and subscribe.